hear the honking. As soon as I open the window, again, that alarm's going again, just to show you. Again, you know, second night in a row, this alarm going again. So, you know, it's a constant thing. Because as soon as I open this place, man, it's a joke. What in God's name? Okay, so you see how immediately when I open the window, he comes out, turns on the car lights, then goes back in. And it's not early, it's about 10 p.m. You know, there's the weird stuff that goes on, and I don't know if you see, he's just walking very weirdly, you know, because I've been doing all sorts of weird things, I guess, to get my attention. So today, for instance, they've been sticking out the tongue as they go past me. You know, I was like, what the fuck you stick your tongue out for, you idiot? Going on my bag, and then he just carries on jogging, you know, with a jogger. Second time in like 2 weeks that's happened, so I guess they're doing different weird things now to get my attention. You see the synchronization though, he goes into that car here, turns the lights on, does his thing.